So guys, welcome to Gyeedu Tutors. Kindly share, subscribe, and like. This will motivate us to produce more content. Okay, so we have an equation under indices, okay, and we are trying to find x here. So come with me and let's start. Okay. So now, if you are given an equation like this, 3 exponent 2x minus 30 exponent 3x plus 81 equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to break them down first, right? So first of all, 3x exponent 2. Okay, this one is an example of the third law of indices. Okay, it talks about the multiplication of powers. Okay, so this power 2 and x, if you even bring 2 out like this, it still holds. Okay, so now you still have what? Minus 30 exponent 3x plus 81 equal to 0. So now we have a common factor or a common exponent running through that we can do something about. We can let 3x equal to what? Y. So that we make things very easy for us. So now we have what? Y squared minus 30y plus what? 81 equal to what? 0. When you get to this side, you are getting there, right? When we get to this side, we have a quadratic equation here. You can break it down. Okay. So now we have what? Y squared minus what? 27y minus 3y plus 81 equal to 0. So now we broke it down. How did we break it down? We imagine we take two numbers. Those two numbers must be they must be factors of 81, the product of 1 and what? 81. Okay, and we chose minus 27 and minus 3. If you multiply minus 27 and minus 3, you're going to get 81. Okay, so that's how we got this. When you get to this side, you can still break it down further. We factorize here, right? So here, here, here. So now here, the first bracket, we factorize what? Y out. We have what? Y minus 27. The second bracket, we have what? Minus 3 y minus 27, which is equal to what? 0. So this is the same as what? Y minus 3 y minus 27, which is equal to 0. When you get to this side, we know how we do it. Y minus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to 3. Y minus 27 equal to 0. Y is equal to what? 27. Okay. So you do as here, we are not done. We are supposed to change this to x. Okay, because you are finding x, you are not supposed to find y. Right? So come with me here. So now we said let 3x to what? Y. So now 3x is equal to what? 3. And any number B has an exponent of what? 1. Okay. So now 3x is equal to 3 exponent 1. So therefore, x is equal to what? 1. And 3x here is equal to what? 27. Okay. So 3x, 27 is a multiple of what? 3. So 3 exponent 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So now, since the bases are the same, we equate exponent. X is equal to 3. So therefore, x is equal to 1 or 3. So guys, these are bonus questions. If you see these questions in WASSCE, answer them. Okay, it's very, very easy. Okay, take your time, go through this video. Okay, and it will be of great benefit to you. Thank you so much, and be expecting me in the next one. All right, bye.